Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How are you doing here? So in this video I want to show you how you can make money on Fiverr, on Upwork, or any freelancing websites using this software here that I called Jarvis. So this is software, as you already know, that conversion boots have a mode that is called the boss mode. So if you want to make money with article writing, then this video is for you. So first thing, let us check Fiverr and let's see how people are getting orders on this article writing, or maybe as a content writer. So you don't have to have any knowledge on this. All you need to do is to know how to create a Fiverr account and create a gig, then get orders. So how are you going to deliver this order? So this is how I'm going to show it for you. So let us search for these people in this niche and how they are killing its article or article writing. So as you can see here, I will write and top SEO. I will be your SEO article writer. So let us see most of this order that this person has in queue. So as you can see, 13 orders in queue, and offering is basic for $25. So this one have 3 orders in queue, 4 orders in queue, 9 orders in queue, 3 orders in queue. Like you can see, offering article in queue. So this one is 1,000 word articles for just $25, and this one I will write a listicle. That listicle means like maybe like top 10, number 1, number 2, number 3, something like that, something like those stuff. And number 30 is 2,000 word. So if you can write an article like this using this conversion AI, then this is a great thing, right? So then let us proceed. So if I can see any example I can use here, because whenever you deliver an article, deliver something on Fiverr, it normally comes up with, let me just go to incognito mode. Okay, so let's say I will just go for 10 ways to lose weight. Okay, let us generate this title. Maybe your order and the person said you write on 10 ways to lose weight. So I'm going to go here. So since we are working on blog, I'll just use this one, and I'll come again and use this start from scratch, because I love this if I want to write a blog post. So 10 ways to lose weight easily. So then copy this lose weight as a keyword, one of the keywords lose. So come here. Okay, good. So I will click on continue. So let this thing generate a title for us, or if you can go with this title, then that would be great. But I love this thing to generate a unique title for me. So then should I believe this IPO? No, I want to generate more. Let's see what this thing will generate. The 10 quickest way to lose weight easily. At least I will use this one. Okay, so I will on this thing to write in the intro ideas for. That means the intro means the first paragraph of the content, like in the introduction of the content. So maybe in the blog spot, okay, 10 quickest way to. So this method is, as you can see right here, so you can see. So I'm going to choose. So we are looking at we have found a plan with that increase your able lose weight and improve your health. Continue how to choose the best way that suits you. So let me generate from our ideas. So you can go around and play with this thing and choose the suitable contents for you. If you're looking for ways, then this perspective for you. For paragraph, it's called a quickest way. So look, this is not easy. If you're looking for I think I will go with this one. Okay, so and continue, open the editor. Okay, just go down here, open the editor. Boom, skip the tutorial. So as you can see here, this is the intro page. So we need just 3 pages. The intro page, the body page, and also the conclusion page. So I want this thing to go with a friendly, to write it in a friendly way, friendly voice. Just go with that one. Then switch this thing to low content. So click on compose. So this thing doesn't generate what you want for you, then we have to, so let us continue. If you're watching this video the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So we are going for 1,000 words. So we are not stopping this thing until it reach 1,000 words. And the next thing we are going to talk about is the plagiarism tools. Okay, the plagiarism, because what you don't want to write a plagiarism content for your buyers. Okay, you don't want to write that for them. Let's go for this. We're already at 600 words and we need more. This thing, keep writing it for us, which make it easy for us. Okay, already at 700 words. So 900 words. So let us finish the closing. It's already 1,002 words. So what are we waiting for? Okay, lastly, okay, boom, and that's it. So we have already write our contents. All you need to do is just to format it yourself. Okay, to Z. Let's go with that. So if this is more than 10, you can just remove some and left some and leave some. Let's just count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's almost more than 10, but yes, just go here. Then if you are writing a listicle article, I think there's something should show up here. Coming. Okay, now something should show up. I just say number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Boom. We have already have our 10 contents. Okay, so let us go for all. So we go for quick 10 way to lose our output, this one easily. So this is title. So the next thing that remains is the conclusion page. So let's just go with the conclusion page. So the thing is that you can just click on list pro tips here and click on boss mode cheat lists. I love using boss mode. So if you want to get this software, the link is inside in the description below. So as you can see here, write some FAQ about the post. So I think we should play we should play around with these two. So let us go for the conclusion for about content. Let's write a conclusion. I think it already includes a conclusion, but let's just write about the conclusion here and see what is going to bring out for us. So I think losing weight, I think I see this one before. It's not only, let me check the one above. So losing weight is not only about, as you can see here, can you see this? So let me just release this one. I think this one to sheet number 7. We should change this one to number 10. Change this to number 10, right? Then that is how we complete our 1005 words articles. So the next thing we need to take is the plagiarism. So for plagiarism, I always recommend one tool that I'm normally using. And if you are a content writer, or maybe you just join this thing, you don't have to maybe be normally speaking 100% plagiarism. You need a perfect tool for this. And trust me, this thing, when I put it most inside that Grammarly tools, the plagiarism is like normal 30%, 5%, and only for 1% it's okay for me, because I just refer to the link of this website directly. So, and buyer may not want that. So let us just go for Grammarly. I'm coming, let me log in my Grammarly here. So I'm just going to copy this content here and paste it inside the Grammarly. So Grammarly will correct something for us. So lose. I think this depend on maybe the language of that person, language of the seller. I think, let me see language. Okay, this is British America. So let us America English. Let us change it to British English and see what we go through. Okay, so lose is lose for British America. So the next thing you need to do is to correct all this. Okay, correct all this. And make sure whenever you want to correct it, just make sure you read it. So you don't just click on this favorite. Okay, favorite. I think this is this spelling is not British. So this is just a British stuff and so just thing like that. Okay, correct the paragraph, the what do you call this thing, the punctuation mark, and that's all. So the next thing we need to check for is the plagiarism. So let's check for the plagiarism and see the percent of the plagiarism. So this content is like 100% plagiarism free. Okay, so all we need to do now is to deliver this content to our sellers. You can see this is so readable. So thank you guys to lose weight easily and effective. See, even the keyword let us check let's check for the keyword. So I might use word counter, or maybe word tracker. Let us use word tracker. It's word counter, not word tracker. It's word counter. Let's go for the word counter, or let us check these two words. Word counter. Then I'm going to paste it here. Control V. Here, Control V. So let's check for the keyword. So you can see weight is 34%. So times x1, x2, lose weight is 21, which is 4%. Weight easily is 8%. Weight loss 6%. Effectively, as you can see, weight low. So there are many, and this thing doesn't involve keyword sorting. As you can see, the keyword density here is like 7%. So let's just check. I want to check something. Let me see. Just leave it here. So if you check the x2 keyword, weight loss is like 21. We use it 21 times, and this thing is like readable, and like even, let me see, grade 9, grade 10 students can even read this content, which means it's a very readable character. So if you are watching this for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on notification bell, because you don't want to miss another episode. So the link for those two resources that I use is inside the description below, and you might want to use it. So let me download my content, because I'm going to post this content in my website. So on my blogspot, because I normally have a blog for this. So if you don't know how to create a gig, there is a link in the description below, or just check my channel and search for how to make money on Fiverr on my channel. Then you will see how to create a gig. So let me just put this content on my blogspot. I think I have a blogspot for this. So I think I'm have something like Sun X. So just post on this on my blog. In posts. So this is how it is. I'm going to copy the title here, and then copy all the contents too. Paste. Find the relevant picture on Pixabay. So if the buyer wants some picture, you can just go to on Pixabay or on Splash to get some contents. So just go here, just select anything here. So I'm just going for this. Then I'm just going to create on copy. This is why I love Blogspots, and then paste it here. Okay. So enlarge. Then set the alt text. Okay, settings. The alt text title. So the title is "Thank you guys way to lose weight." Paste it here. Paste it here. Boom. Update it. So I'm just going to click on weight loss. I think that's weight loss. Weight loss here. Weight loss. This one. So the thing is search description. So for the description, I'm just going to add this thing to write content brief for the above. Write content brief for above topic. Just going to post it here. So I think this is more than 150 words, but you can try to edit it to suit your taste. So just cover that, and I'm going to click on publish. This is my unique content generated using this conversion AI here that I call the boss mode. So I think I'm missing something here. I should just include some link here to make this thing. So I'm just going to go here for this weight loss, and then see some PowerPoint. Link it under my content here. So just going to click on this one and insert some link. Open the window, apply and publish. So you can even put some related posts there. So thank you for watching. If you're watching this for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So if are a pro in using this software and you think I'm missing something out, then I think you want to tell me what I'm using out. So if you get around this software right now, you know that there are things to use here in this software, which is like they are so great. This software is very helpful, and I make a lot of money using this software, and this one has helped me to realize that I can literally do things even when I'm so busy, because I have exam like a week ago. I don't know what to do when I get an order, so I just purchased this Conversion AI, and it has been helping me. So like I normally write a 25,000 word in a day and then deliver. Wow, this software is so great. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.